recovered 15 to 20% of the visitors who would have been lost, driving revenue to around $28,350. Budget waste dropped as the non-performing products were reduced and spend focused on proven converters. The subscribe and save angle also began pulling in repeat customers automatically. Quick question: if one product drives 70% of your revenue, would you spend the same budget all 10 of them? That's exactly what this women's wellness supplement brand was doing. Every product, menopause support, gut health, skin and care, brain focus, all thrown into one shopping campaign. Equal budget split, no remarketing, no segmentation, and now the results: wasted spend on products that nobody bought while bestsellers were starved. This pharmacist founded award-winning brand sells across the US with a range built for women's health, functional mushroom blends for perimenopause, postmenopause, energy formulas, skin and hair glow supplements, gut health, joint support, even men's hormonal health. Product average $35 to $45 with subscribe and save, backed by 2,000 plus reviews, 9 stars. On paper, everything was perfect, but Google ads were not reflecting that. When we have audited the account, 3 issues stood out. First, every product in one campaign, Google had no signals to prioritize high converting products. Second, equal budget split across performing and the non-performing products. A hero menopause blend with urgent search demand was treated the same as a low intent capsule with a 0.4% conversion rate. That's money burned daily. Third, hero remarketing. In supplements, only 2.3 of the visitors buy on the first click. Without remarketing, 97% of the traffic was gone forever. We rebuilt the structure around 4 pillars: product segmentation by performance, tier hero products, secondary products, and awareness products, each with its own campaign, budget, and bidding strategy. Shopping restructured with product specific performance max campaigns, feeding Google's algorithm with strong assets, product imagery, review callouts, health benefit headlines, subscribe and save offers, a full remarketing funnel, dynamic product ads, cart abandonment recovery with the urgency messaging, and the upsell campaigns for past purchasers, and finally A/B testing on creative and copy, outcome focused versus the ingredient focused headlines, lifestyle versus the product imagery, subscribe and save versus the one-time purchase. Every 2-week losers cut, winners scaled. The results were impressive. ROAS rose from 1.21 to 5.87, well above the supplement category average of 3 to 4. Hero product consistently delivered 6 to 8 returns. Cart abandonment remarketing recovered 15 to 20% of the visitors who would have been lost, driving revenue to around $28,350. Budget waste dropped as the non-performing products were reduced and spend focused on proven converters. The subscribe and save angle also began pulling in repeat customers automatically, compounding revenue month after month. Same product, same website, but with proper structure, completely different results. Here is the question every supplement brand owner needs to ask: are you spending the same budget on your best sellers as you are on the product that don't convert? Are you paying for clicks from visitors who leave no remarketing to bring them back? If yes, you don't have a product problem, you have a structure problem, and that's exactly what we fix. At Softrix, we have spent 17 years running Google AdWords for the e-commerce brands worldwide. We know strategies, we know segmentation, and we know how to turn passive ad spend into compounding revenue. So if you have any campaigns running in the similar niche, you can contact us for a free audit. There is a phone number on the top right corner. You can contact us on WhatsApp. We will be able to look at your PPC account and then we can let you know what you are doing and what you need to do in order to maximize the ROI from the campaigns. On the other side of things, if you do not have any PPC ads running, then don't worry about it. Just share with us some basic information. It can be the website URL, the monthly budget and the location targeting. We can do the research and then we can get back with the plan of action on what we can do to bring your business online to the next level. Thank you for watching the video.